So see, today we are going to make some design, and it is your last class for CorelDraw because we have learned everything from the manual,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So just start with this topic. Just start and draw some curves structure like this. Just draw the rectangle structure. Just choose here and draw the structure like this, right? And again, just copy it by
Yes,
using
sir.
Control C and Control D. Control D is the shortcut key by which you just make the duplicate. Otherwise, you can also go with the Control plus C to copy and Control plus V to paste the particular text, right? And how can you align this
Sir.
particular object? Just see here. If it is little bit disposition, just press here E for the vertical alignment, vertically center. Okay, so we need to just press here C for the horizontal alignment here. After aligning this object, we want to just add some part here. Just see there. Just again, just select the rectangle and press Control plus C and Control plus V to paste it, or directly use Control plus D. And after that, just measure the height, width or height of this particular rectangle. Just see there, the height of this particular rectangle is 1.054, right? And the length is 6.64. You can also
Yes, sir.
calculate the value of the dimension from here. So we need to just follow the dimension with that like this, right? And dimension, what is the height is 1.054. So we need to just firstly just increase this and increase here as well, and position it by using the arrow, right? And how can we just make some designs with the curve tool? After drawing this, just place a curve tool here and choose the curve tool and draw structure like this. Just hold it and drag like this and little bit down, right? And again, just hold it and just draw over the previous line and move like this.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And if you want to just merge all the object here, there are different sections of this object. So we need to just add all the object in a single unit. So firstly, we use here what tool? That is the need of Smart Fill tool. Just click on this and place your cursor here. It will give the color in this particular block like this. Just hold it and place it. There's different sections available there, right? We need to just use the
Yes,
selection tool
sir.
and just hold it, and holding the shift button and click on another sub part. And here is the option, that is the Well tool, right? You can also try this Well tool by using the property here, you know very well, arrange, shaping, and here you also get the same tool. This is the Well. Okay, all the sequence available here we can get in the properties bar as we see here. Just click on this, it becomes a single unit. Again, just select it and press shift, hold shift and click on another box, and again click on Weld, it becomes a single unit. Similarly, we hold shift and click on another one, just click on Weld, it becomes single unit, and again shift and again Weld, again shift and again Weld, right? Just see there. Here we have a single object you made
Yes,
here
sir.
by using this frame structure. You need to just delete that frame structure. We don't need that. So we just delete this structure, right? After doing that, if you want to just fill some color in this section, you can go through this. Here we have a multiple properties available for the color filling. You can choose anyone. Here we choose the texture like this and click on OK. You will get the color in this particular box like this, right? And after doing that, just hold it and press Ctrl plus D to make the duplicate part and move on this. This is the mirror horizontally. Just click on, and again here vertically mirror. Just click on this, okay, and place like this position. Right. After positioning of this, you
Yes, sir.
increase the size of this, and you know very well how we use the Extrude tool. Just hold it and click on interactive Extrude tool. Just click on Extrude tool from here and little bit drag downward from top to bottom like this. You will get the things like this, right? Then
Yes,
we
sir.
need to just change the angle or 3D angle, just click on this. Here we get the 3 dimensions. Just click on this structure and you will get the 3 dimensions here. Just click on this. You will get the different angle of your object by using this, right? Like this. Understood? You can also give some angle with that.
Yes, sir.
Also give some angle with that. So we modify some property of that. And after placing this, right, we just little bit down, make it, and just change the color of this shade. Just click on this and just change the color of this shade, by which we will easily observe the third dimension of the object. Reddish color, and it is okay. And just place it little bit up and down. Just adjust the shape by using the arrow. Clear? And we want to just apply this property on this. We need to select the another object like this, and we want to just apply the cloning effect of that on this or over this object. So we select first this the second object and move on effect option, and here we have the last option, that is the clone effect, and click on extrude. Because we have applied here the extrude tool, that's why it is showing here extrude from. Just click on this and click on over there. You will get the same property on this. Just click on this. Okay, firstly you need to just give some angle with that, so click on here, and just you also give some shade with that. Just click on this, you will get the shade like this, right? And just little bit give some angle with that. Let's move on here. Use the blending properties. You will get the other one. Otherwise, it will leave it. And adjust little bit upward like this. Click outside and hold it. And again, just do the same process. Effect, clone effect, extrude from. Click here. It is showing it is did not click on object. Okay, wishing to again. Here we have the object. Why is it not working here? Just let me check. Place your cursor here and select it and click on again here and change the angle of this like this. And then we select it, another object, and click on effect, clone, and try. Okay, you will get, just click on this portion, not on this, just click on this portion, right? Clear here?
Yes, sir.
And after doing that, you will get the cloning effect on this. When you move the extrude part, so selecting the previous or first object, and just see there. When we change the angle, the both object angle will change. Just see there. Is it visible or not?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, you can try it like this, and you can give the different effects. And if you change the shade as well, it will also change the other shade object or object shade as well. Just see there. You will get the different shade. And if you want to say, apply the bevel property, just click on bevel property and apply this. Click on here, and you can also increase the property, this bevel part of that, right? You can also apply this property from here like this. If you want to just show only bevel, you can go through this and click outside to see that, right? But when we use this property over there, there is some properties removing from here. Why? Because here we use a different, exactly different property from the previous one. That's the reason it will not available on this effect. So we need to just remove this effect, right? And we do the same step again here with the object. Just select it and again click on effect, call on one effect and click on form and click on the shade like this. You will get things like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can make these types of effect by using this clone effect, and you can give the angle with that easily, right here. Just go with the next tool.
Sir.
You just design it or just delete it and just make the another design. Just draw the circle like this structure, right? And copy it and paste it. and place little bit outside like this. Okay. Here we have the two objects. You want to just make arc tool, just click on this arc tool, you will get the arc and you can adjust the angle by moving this value. Just see there, it will little bit moving upward direction like this. Okay. So you just set the angle with that and you just adjust the arc with the another circle. Just do it again and again, you will get the position like this, like here. And similarly, you just increase the bottom part of that, you can easily reach there as well. Just click on this, you will get the part like this. Right? And similarly, we do the same step. We want only this arc, that's why we just select it and click on again here, arc tool. And we want to just adjust here. So we need to just remove the angle from here. Just place your cursor here again and again, and you will get the exact shape as you want. Here, you can directly type the value as well, but you can go through this by which you can easily point out the object over the another one. Like this, right? So here we have two arcs. Just see there. This is first one.
Yes, sir.
Just moving a little bit outside, you just like this. And here's the second arc, right? So just set the position here again previously like this and move on the next tool. Here we have the next tool. This is the blend tool. Just click on blend tool and just hold it and drag on another arc. You will get this types of shape, right? And after selecting or moving this, you can give some angle with that. Just see that here we give the angle with that. You will get the different shapes like this, right? You can decrease here and decrease the number of objects by using this shape. Just decrease the number of objects from this section, right? And after that, we want to just remove some these part. This is the different other part. We don't want to this. Just click on right click mouse here and break blend group apart. Shortcut key Control K and use the tool that is the virtual segment deletion and delete all the things like this. Just press Ctrl plus Z and just do it again and again. You will get the perfect shape. Just see there is some problem. So we need to just add another line to show the perfect line segment. Just click on this and choose the two line point tool and hold it and cross over there like this. Right. And again, we need to just cross over here like that. And by which we can just easily remove this section from this section. Right. And then we go through this and click on here and delete the line because it is simple line segment. And again, moving here, we just move here and we want to just remove this line segment. Again, do the same process. Right?
Yes, sir.
Just see there. And you just select it and crop it, you know very well. Also the crop it, or you just can draw the line and by which you can easily delete some part from here. Just click on virtual segment deletion and delete some part from here. And delete the outline structure. Not that, this is the one, delete. Just see there, here we have the different outline or arc structure available here. And after doing that, just move on, arrange, and we use, effect and move on artistic media tool and choose any brush for that, and you can decrease or increase the width of this brush like this. Right, we will get this types of effect like this. Understood? And after doing that, just select all the object and press Ctrl plus G to group this object. You can also give outline effect by using this. This is the tool by which we just give the thickness of object and give some color with that. This is the outline color, and choose your whatever the color you want. So here we choose black color or any color like this and click on OK. You will get the color outline. You need to just ungroup that, then you can able to do the same step. Just click on no outline, right? Understood? Just copy it,
Yes, sir.
copy it and paste it and give another color like that. And just move little bit upward and downward, you will get the effect like this. And again copy it and paste it by using Ctrl plus D and give another effect like black and just move it or just stand it back. Right, and Ctrl A to group and Ctrl G to group all the objects. Select all by using Ctrl A and Ctrl G. And after forming this, just click on here, arrange tool and move on rotation. This is the rotation. Alt F8 is the shortcut key. You can try all the object, you know very well about all the things. Just click on here rotation and place your cursor over there because you want to angle like this, and just decide the angle that is 60-degree angle. And click on how many objects, just type here 4 or 5, so you will choose 6 objects and click on OK, apply. You will get the things like this, right? Understood? And after selecting,
Yes,
just
sir.
press Ctrl plus G to group all the object like this. And after doing this, again just set the corner with that and click on apply. We'll get a new one. Right. So this is the very complex design you can easily make by you made by this. Just press F9, you will get the perfect look for that. Right. Understood here? And press Ctrl plus G
Yes,
to group
sir.
it and just make these types of design. Right. Just try all the things, and I think everything is finished in CorelDraw. And I just give you some assignment, and after completing
Okay,
your
sir.
assignment, we'll just take the new software. Right here.
Okay,